So we've had one thing which is very common, which is a goal. And our goal was that we want to give affordable technology to the masses, okay? And we wanted to build out an online business because we thought that there's a massive opportunity for commerce to happen online. And I'm talking 7 years ago, which was more centered in India towards ticketing at that point, okay? So what we thought was that if we are able to go back and build a business in such a way that it's not just for ourselves, but we can actually open it up to many others, okay? Then that will stand the test of time, because rather than competing, we collaborate, okay? Because it's business models that compete, and if you have a business model which is more collaborative in nature, where my intellectual property, I will allow you to utilize it. Let me do the hard work. If I can do it at scale, then I will offer it to you at a fraction of a cost, which will actually work in your business interest. So our focus was SMEs. There are millions of SMEs in India, and there is a view of the world that as e-commerce becomes more and more organized and pervasive, it is going to be very hard for the SMEs to do business, because you go direct to the consumer. And our mindset was that why we will build the technology to be able to do this, can we give it to all the SMEs in a way so that they can build a very interesting business case out of it, and they can thrive, they upgrade themselves to the next level, they can offer value-added services with products that typically an online retailer alone cannot offer. So it's more of a hybrid solution. It stands the test of time. So it is so easy. We've actually implemented many of these, which is more like click and pick. I can click, I don't need to go to the store, I know it's down the line, I can go and pick it up, correct? Things like that, which are very different than what an e-commerce retailer can provide, correct? So each of these business models evolve, but our underlying theme was, let's build a business which is going to empower intermediation, not eliminate them. Number two, let's build it in a way so that it's more collaborative. It is not about our intellectual property, let me keep on outsmarting you on price or convenience or availability. Let me give it out so that everyone can perhaps migrate to more value-added services. The third is, how can we do it at scale where it is a business model for us and not just a social activity, correct? So what we realized was that in this internet world, the more we give, the more we can get. So we built that business model, and so what you see as an evolution is us doing it at scale, perfecting that art, and then giving it out to others so that they can utilize it.
Really interesting.
So that is how we started out, but you see that as an expansion of what we actually set out as a mindset all the way from the beginning.